To keep your T-Mobile 5G gateway secure and running smoothly, it's important to keep the firmware updated. First, find out what version you're currently running. You can check either through the T-Mobile app on iOS or Android under Devices, then Gateway, or by accessing the gateway's web interface. Type 192.168.12.1 or 192.168.1.1 into your web browser's address bar. Log in using the credentials printed on the gateway, then go to System or Firmware to see your current version. Make sure your gateway is connected to the internet for the next step. Now that you know your current version, let's update. In the gateway's web interface, navigate to Maintenance or Updates. Click Check for Updates. If an update is available, select Install. This process can take 10 to 20 minutes, and your gateway will automatically reboot. If you're having trouble, try power cycling the device by unplugging it for 30 seconds and plugging it back in. Then try checking for updates again. T-Mobile automatically rolls out updates, but this manual method ensures you have the latest version. Aim to perform manual checks every 2 to 4 months. Avoid using third-party updates as it could void your warranty and is risky.